Here's some features of estuaries. Okay, estuaries have a close interaction between land and sea. There are various aspects. They're usually highly biologically productive. They're heavily impacted by human activities. Okay, so there are conflict zones of pollution and the use. Okay, they're used for water production. Think of desalination plants, seawater desalination plants. Okay, so the physical characteristics in estuaries are the tides are actually the dominant flows on periods of hours. Okay, tides are generally strong in estuaries. Okay, so tides usually don't play a role in the open ocean, but in estuaries they are dominant. Density-driven flows are dominant flows on time periods exceeding days. Okay, so on longer time scales, actually the density differences is the density-driven flow. Okay, that controls controls the circulation. So in positive estuaries, okay, you find different type of biological species. Okay, you find freshwater species. You find so-called brackish water species, which is the transition between the marine and the freshwater. Then you find marine species, and indeed you can also have mixed species, so species that can live in both freshwater or saline water or seawater. Okay? So that's why we study estuaries, because there are many cities in estuaries, and there's quite a bit of problems in estuaries, in terms of plastic pollution, in terms of eutrophication and stuff like that.